All right, what's up, everybody? Your boy John Deere Man 22 here. Welcome back to another video. So today, I am out here at the I'm out here in the field. Of course, as you guys can tell, by the sky, it is cloudy. The only thing the camera is not picking up is the rain because, well, it's not raining hard, but it's just, yeah. So, anyway, well, from down to that corner, all the way down to the farm, which is way down there, this is the last field I have to do. I'm just down here on this corner here. Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out how in the frick I'm gonna get down to the other corner. I probably won't be able to get down to the other corner because there's stalks that are sitting way too tall for the gator, and I don't want to take the chance of getting hung up on them or roughing up the underside of the gator. So, yeah, I filled 3 tubs already, which isn't, well, let's just say it's not what I was hoping for. Yeah. Now, if we had gotten rain during the summer while the crops were still growing, we would have had a decent yield, and we would have had a decent crop too. Which equals that more ears would be left on the ground. We'd fill the tubs a lot faster. But the rain never came. For sometimes not even for an entire week. The rain would not come. And then I'd have to, so the Indian corn, didn't do so well either. It was pretty bad. So, yeah, we got, let's see here, I don't know how much, I think, my grandpa and his brother, they're busy transferring over at my uncle's place right now, and they were hoping to get around to doing the last farm for this year, for this harvest, and lo and behold, yeah, plans like that are gonna change. And yeah, so anyway, so yeah, I got 3 5-gallon pails here. Yeah, just to do this last field. And I was planning on bringing the 3 tubs out that I'm filling right now, but that wouldn't have worked because, yeah, and plus I couldn't dump the ears of corn in the back because the back end of the gator's wet. So, yeah. So now when my grandpa and his brother get home, or get back here, or get back to the farm. Then they gotta go. Then they gotta put the combine in the shed because it's supposed to rain today, tomorrow. I mean, it goes right through into tomorrow, right through Friday, which we have no school Friday, and Saturday. Yeah, it goes through Saturday, and then it gets into Sunday. So, yeah. I don't know what that was just now. Beats me, but anyway, I think this is where I'm gonna leave you guys because I gotta get busy. So I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Have a great day. Later, you guys. Stay safe out there, everybody.